The pipette's density is less than the water, so it floats. The more mass per volume, the more dense the object will be. Things float or sink depending on whether it has more density than the substance it's in. In this case, the water has less density than the pipettes because of the weights in the water in it. The pipettes sink when you squeeze the bottle due to Pascal's principle. Water evenly disperses and goes into the pipette, causing it to sink. Putting weights on the pipette makes it so they are able to sink. Adding mass keeps the volume the same but changes the density. Putting different liquid substances into the pipette will cause different pipettes to go up or down faster or slower than the others due to density changing the mass. The density of water is 1 gram per milliliter, but the pipette is less than but close to 1 gram per milliliter. If it's too light, it won't sink. On a car using Pascal's principle, pressing on the brake will hit all the brakes at the same time, equally. And that causes it to equally disperse. Just like in here, when you're pressing on the bottle, the water has to equally go up at all parts. One part of the water is not going to be higher than the other. So in order to do that, the water goes up into the pipettes, which can cause it to sink.